Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we're cooking for...
I'm the mother.
And yes, she is. And we're cooking out of the original book my parents wrote, my dad's book called Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease. And my mom did the recipes in there. And some of these recipes are amazing. And so today we're cooking from page 162. It's called Sweet Corn Sauce. So take it away, Mommy.
And by the way, we have an upcoming version of this. We're developing a new one, but this is the old one that we love.
The original.
And years ago, when we were visiting our son Rip in Austin, Texas, our favorite restaurant and his was, what was that called? Casa Deluxe.
Casa Deluxe.
And we first discovered this corn sauce there, and we couldn't believe how good it was. Now, 5 ears of fresh corn is what makes it absolutely incredible. But if you get 16 ounces of frozen corn, but it has to be sweet corn. If it just says corn on the outside, you have a chance it'll be cardboard. So this is an organic sweet corn, but just make sure that your corn is sweet. And so I'm going to put the bag of corn in here. And Jane, you have to tell them about the onion because it's so fun.
This onion we got recently at the store, and it had a big sign above it, and it said, like almost like Johnson's baby shampoo, like no more tears. This said, like this is not going to make you cry, kind of onion, and it's a little bit sweeter. And so their name for this onion was a Sunyon, I think, because it's sweet and it's not going to make you cry. So, do I need to chop it up just roughly?
Okay, maybe a small onion, about half a cup of onion.
Yeah, this is more than a half a cup probably, but this is a Sunyon. So we're going to put the whole fun Sunyon in here.
And then I'm going to put half a cup of vegetable broth or vegetable stock, and this happens to be, and I like using this Engine 2 vegetable stock because it's light. Because if you use a dark colored vegetable stock, it can make this not be so vibrantly. Would you like to do that because you know how to work yours?
My thing's a little broken, so I have to just hold your hand there until you.
And we're just going to do this until it's all mixed up.
Saucy! It looks like it's getting there. Looks like it's getting there.
I'll just do one more quick thing. And then you won't believe what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it in a pot, and I am going to cook it. And you sort of cook it. I hate to say this, but you cook it a little bit like, it kind of looks a little like scrambled eggs. And I'm going to cook it. Jim, can you turn the stove on?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh my gosh. Eek.
How you want it on sort of a medium?
Yeah.
What do you want it on?
And I'm just going to make it, cook it a little bit. And you know what? I think some of your pepper would be nice in it.
Was pepper part of the recipe?
No, but I'm thinking that.
Because the recipe says 1 small onion and half cup of vegetable broth with 5 ears of uncooked fresh corn. If I had an ear of corn, I would leave it on.
Oh, it's good.
Licking it off the top. That's great. Wait, pepper. 3, 5, 4, How much pepper do you want?
Just a little. That's just.
What if someone added turmeric to this sauce
I know.
and made it really yellow?
We could try.
Well, let's do the actual recipe and see how that goes.
Well, no, I'm just going to cook it now until it begins to look cooking a little, and then it's ready. And then, I mean, this is hard to believe, but this is really good, and it's so quick to make. The only thing is you should thaw the corn first, just makes it easier. But this is good on greens. If you have a big plate of kale, collard, Swiss chard greens, this makes it scrumptious. But it's also nice on top of rice and beans.
Which we have, I actually have, we had quinoa and black beans last night. And so I have a little plate of that we could try. And then I have some greens here that I mean, they're not very many, but I just...
I wouldn't. I would think that it would need to be on cooked greens, but you can try it on.
I'm surprised you limit your greens to cooked. I want to try it on some not cooked greens. Is there some kale in here? No.
This is cooking slowly.
Oh,
but
I can heat it up. I can heat it up. What's the goal?
I just
Have it bubble?
to cook it. Yeah, to get it a little bubbly.
Wait, to boil or just to have it warm?
It
looks like it's bubbling a little in the center. I'm scared it's going to burn because it's a little pot.
Oh no, this is a nice thick pot.
I mean, the sides the flames are going to lick up the sides. No, what if people had white corn?
Well, you could do any kind of corn, but
Because isn't there a white sweet?
yes, but I think the white still would look a little yellow. And you could put turmeric in here. Why not? Next time I do it, I'm gonna try that.
You know, maybe at the end we can stick some turmeric in and see how yellow it turns.
My hand is getting hot.
I know that's what I was scared of. It's such a narrow pot on this portable burner. You're singeing your.
I'm tired of waiting,
Here.
so maybe we'll just go for it. But
No,
anyway,
listen, I can be there. You hear that? It's sizzling. It's good. Is it not?
I mean, I think you want to get the onion cooked a little in there.
Okay. Can we taste it? I want to taste. I'm going to go deep. Or you want to taste it? What do we? Oh. It's so sweet.
It's sweet. It's amazing. I mean, it's so simple. I love things that are just plain.
I mean, it's almost like
simple. That you don't have a lot of ingredients. That you can just do fast. And
That was really good. I think it's done, Mommy.
Okay, it's done.
Here, just leave it on the hot pad. All
So
right.
there it is. Sweet corn sauce.
Here, let's put some. Put it on the. How would you put it on your rice and beans or quinoa and beans? I'm gonna eat this. So it's almost like a queso topping.
I wouldn't put it on. I would put it.
Well, I am.
Okay, you do it. Maybe it's a new sauce for greens. I mean, who knows?
Yeah,
But
let's try it.
and then wait. Do you have parsley?
We do have a little parsley. This is no longer hot. All right, I'm gonna try this on my greens. That's great. That's great. Anything's good on greens.
It is.
It's really good.
So put
It's
some
like
parsley, cilantro on top of it, and it's really.
I mean, it's not like hummus at all, but it's like
No, it truly is a sauce, and it makes something that doesn't pull together, gives it a nice taste.
yeah. Try that. And I think queso is a stretch. Queso is like salty and creamy. This is sweet and light. All right, give it a taste. Give it a taste, or I'm gonna taste it. Where's your fork? You taste this.
I'll
try
taste
that?
it.
Okay. It's really good.
Huh? It's a new dressing for.
I like it better
salad.
than my greens.
I do too. Crazy. You know what it's good on? Oh my gosh. You know what that makes it good? We had bok choy in there.
Uh-huh.
And it is really good.
Because it's crispy.
on uncooked bok choy, just chopped up.
Yeah.
Really good.
All right. Thank
New
you.
things.
Bye-bye.